Get ready to dive into the world of heavy machinery. In this Today video, we'll explore 10 incredible machines ranging from 23-ton machines to 770-ton behemoths. Curious about how these machines work? Let's find out. Number 10. The Boeing CH-47 Chinook. The Boeing CH-47 Chinook is a versatile heavy-lift helicopter weighing 23 tons and powered by two Lycoming T55 GA714A engines, each producing 4,868 horsepower. Known for its tandem rotor design, it can transport vehicles and heavy equipment across challenging terrains. With a maximum speed of 315 kilometers per hour, the Chinook's powerful engines and robust airframe make it a key asset in worldwide. Number 9. The Sandvik Leopard DI550. The Sandvik Leopard DI550 is a powerful down-the-hole drill rig designed for efficient rock drilling. Weighing 24 tons, it is equipped with a 324 horsepower engine, delivering high penetration rates. Its advanced automation system enhances precision and safety, while the robust hydraulic system ensures smooth operation in tough terrains, making it ideal for mining and quarrying applications. Number 8. The Terex Finlay J1175. The Terex Finlay J1175 jaw crusher is a powerful machine designed for tough quarrying and mining applications. Weighing approximately 51 tons, it is powered by a 375 horsepower engine. The crusher features a robust hydrostatically driven jaw chamber with a high capacity output, crushing materials efficiently to produce high-quality aggregates. Its versatile design allows easy transportation and setup, making it a versatile choice for on-site crushing needs. Number 7. The Dragon of Calais. In Calais, Dragon brings a mechanical marvel to life. This giant dragon, weighing 72 tons and powered by a 400 horsepower engine, roams the streets, breathing fire and mist. Its articulated joints and hydraulic systems enable fluid movements, while a complex network of gears and pulleys allows it to mimic lifelike actions, captivating audiences with a spectacular display of engineering and artistry. Number 6. The Liugong 995F. The Liugong 995F is a powerhouse designed for heavy-duty demolition work. Weighing in at 95 tons, it features a robust 375 horsepower engine, delivering immense power for tearing down structures. Equipped with high-reach booms and reinforced attachments, it ensures precise, controlled demolition. Its advanced hydraulic system provides superior maneuverability and strength, making it the ideal machine for challenging demolition projects. Number 5. The Caterpillar HW300. The Caterpillar HW300 high-wall miner is an impressive machine designed for efficient coal extraction. Weighing around 128 tons, it boasts a 450 horsepower engine, enabling it to cut coal at depths up to 300 meters. The HW300 operates by deploying a cutter head into the high wall, extracting coal and conveying it back to the surface, maximizing output while minimizing environmental impact. Number 4. The Caterpillar MD 6380. The Caterpillar MD 6380 rotary drill rig is a powerhouse in open-pit mining, weighing around 167 tons and powered by a 1,500 horsepower engine. It features advanced drilling technology for precise, efficient drilling operations, capable of handling hole diameters up to 381 millimeters. The MD6380's robust design and high torque output ensure optimal performance and reliability in demanding mining environments, driving productivity to new heights. Number 3. The Komatsu HD785. The Komatsu HD785 is a formidable haul truck designed to tackle the toughest mining tasks. With a 183-ton payload capacity and a powerful 765 horsepower engine, this beast excels in high-demand environments. Its robust construction, coupled with advanced hydraulic and drivetrain systems, ensures efficient material handling and durability. Ideal for large-scale operations, the HD785 delivers reliability and performance where it matters most. Number 2. The SLJ series. The SLJ series, weighing 580 tons and stretching 92 meters long, equipped with 64 wheels. The moving speed without carrying concrete beams is 8 kilometers per hour, and when carrying additional concrete beams, its speed is 5 kilometers per hour. This bridge-building machine lifts and places concrete beams precisely, connecting pillars even in challenging terrains like valleys and canyons. This machine allows humans to assemble bridges in the most efficient way. Number 1. The Komatsu PC8000. The Komatsu PC8000 is a giant in the world of mining, boasting a weight of around 770 tons and powered by twin 4020 horsepower engines. This hydraulic excavator features a massive 42 cubic meter bucket capacity, perfect for heavy-duty operations. Its robust build and advanced hydraulics provide exceptional digging power and efficiency, making it a critical asset for large-scale excavation and loading tasks in tough mining environments. We have just explored 10 of the most unique machines from light to heavy. Now get ready to explore the most widely used heavy equipment in the world today. Which one will surprise you? Stay tuned to find out. The Willibald TBU-3P is a versatile forestry and recycling machine designed for tough terrain. Weighing around 4 tons, it is powered by a robust engine delivering 115 horsepower. The TBU-3P excels at processing organic materials, utilizing a high-speed rotor with replaceable tools to shred wood, branches, and green waste efficiently. The Road Boss monster truck dominates the arena with its colossal presence. Weighing around 5 tons, this beast roars with 1,500 horsepower from its high-performance engine. Built for crushing obstacles and leaping over cars, it features 66-inch tires and a reinforced frame. Its extreme suspension system ensures it handles the wildest jumps and roughest terrain with ease, thrilling fans everywhere. The XC9350 is a heavy-duty wheel loader designed for extreme conditions. With a powerful 400 horsepower engine and a robust weight of 35 tons, it excels in material handling and earth-moving tasks. Its advanced hydraulic system ensures precise control and swift operation, making it ideal for large-scale construction sites. The XC9350's durable frame and reinforced bucket provide outstanding performance and reliability in the most demanding environments. Bridge installation with engineered solutions transforms infrastructure development. Utilizing advanced machinery, such as the 500-ton capacity cranes and hydraulic jacks, This method ensures precise placement of bridge components. The process involves lifting massive bridge sections with up to 2,000 horsepower engines, optimizing structural integrity and reducing installation time. The cargo ship Modern Express drifted for nearly a week in the Bay of Biscay before being successfully towed by the Centaurus, a Spanish tugboat, towards the port of Bilbao in the Basque Country. It appears that the cargo ship lost its balance due to rolling during a storm at sea, and the subsequent securing of the cargo failed, rendering the ship permanently disabled. The Caterpillar 395 excavator is a powerhouse of performance and efficiency. With a robust 440 horsepower engine and a maximum operating weight of 100 tons, this machine excels in heavy-duty excavation tasks. Its advanced hydraulics and enhanced stability make it ideal for tackling large-scale projects. The 395's impressive reach and digging depth ensure high productivity while delivering reliability on every job site. The Real 3D Print House by BE. More 3D is a groundbreaking construction feat, utilizing a large-scale 3D printer to layer concrete precisely. Weighing approximately 2 tons, the printer builds a 24 square meter home in under 12 hours. It uses a 40 horsepower motor for accurate movements, showcasing the future of sustainable, rapid housing solutions with minimal waste and labor. The Spearings E-Lift is a groundbreaking zero-emission crane that transforms construction efficiency with sustainability. Powered by an electric motor delivering 136 horsepower, it boasts a lifting capacity of up to 10 tons and a maximum reach of 50 meters. This eco-friendly crane eliminates diesel emissions, providing a cleaner and quieter operation on job sites. Its innovative design showcases Spearing's commitment to green technology in construction. The Flory WS910 is a powerful tool in agricultural innovation, designed for efficiency and precision. With a 160 horsepower engine and a working width of 9.1 meters, it excels in large-scale soil preparation. Weighing 5.5 tons, this machine combines durability with advanced technology to ensure optimal performance and productivity in various field conditions. The WS910's robust design meets the demands of modern farming. The Ditch Witch AT120 is a powerhouse in trenching technology. With a 120 horsepower engine and a robust 5.5-ton design, it excels in tough soil conditions. Its advanced trenching system and powerful hydraulic controls ensure precise and efficient excavation. The AT120's durability and high performance make it an essential tool for demanding construction and utility projects. The Green Cargo Trailer, with its 12-ton capacity, pairs seamlessly with the Joskin Tornado 3, boasting a 5,000-litre volume and advanced hydraulic features. Together, they deliver exceptional efficiency and durability. This powerful setup featuring a combined 300 horsepower and robust construction, is designed to handle the toughest farm tasks with ease. The M450 mulcher transforms dense vegetation into manageable mulch with ease. This robust machine features a 450 horsepower engine and weighs approximately 12 tons. Equipped with a heavy-duty cutting rotor and advanced hydraulic system, it efficiently handles tough forestry tasks. With a working width of 2.5 meters and variable speed control, it ensures precise and powerful performance in diverse terrains. The Meisterkran system, Meister TC50, revolutionizes lifting with precision and power. This versatile tower crane boasts a maximum lifting capacity of 50 tons and a reach of up to 50 meters. With a powerful 250 kilowatt motor and a total weight of 90 tons, it handles heavy-duty tasks effortlessly. Ideal for complex construction projects, its advanced hydraulics and robust design ensure reliability and efficiency. The Zoomlion ZT68J is a game-changer in crane technology. This impressive machine features a 68-ton lifting capacity and is powered by a 280 kilowatt engine, delivering exceptional strength and stability. With a maximum reach of 60 meters and advanced control systems, it ensures precise lifting and maneuvering for complex construction tasks. Its robust design and innovative features make it ideal for demanding projects.